In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Herbal Bandage and Arc Raiders. If you're just getting started or you want a reliable way to keep your health topped up, there are 3 straightforward ways to get Herbal Bandages, and I'll walk you through each one so you can pick whatever fits your playstyle. First up, buying them. Open your menu and head to the Traders tab. From the list, select the Clinic Trader. On that screen, you'll see Herbal Bandage available for purchase. Keep in mind, this item is stocked in limited quantities so it can sell out. If you don't see it, don't worry. That just means the stock has been taken for now. Come back later or after your next session and check again. When it's available, grab a couple to keep on hand. Buying is the fastest, least effort option when you have the currency to spare. Next, crafting. Go to the workshop and locate the medical lab workstation. This is where you can craft the herbal bandage yourself. The recipe is simple. It costs 1 durable cloth and 1 great mullen. As you explore, make a habit of picking up these components so you're never short when you need a quick craft. Once you have the materials, interact with the medical lab, select the herbal bandage recipe, and craft it. It's a reliable backup method, especially if trader stock is empty or you want to save currency for other gear. Finally, looting. Herbal bandages can drop across the map from various lootable containers, but your best odds are in medical bags. Whenever you're moving through points of interest, check any medical-styled containers you come across, along with general loot spots. This method is opportunistic, so treat it as a steady way to build a small stockpile while you're completing other objectives. If you're exploring with a team, call out medical bags when you see them so everyone can grab what they need without backtracking. A quick recap to tie it all together. Buy from the Clinic Trader when it's in stock for instant access. Craft at the medical lab in the workshop using 1 durable cloth and 1 great mullen, and keep looting as you go, prioritizing medical bags for the best chance of finding them. Mix these methods depending on what you have available. Purchase when you can, craft when trader stock is low, and loot consistently to stay prepared. With these approaches, you'll always have herbal bandages ready for the next fight.